How to check Western Union transfer status. First, open the Western Union app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Track Transfer. You'll need the Money Transfer Control Number, also called the MTCN, which you can find in your email receipt or inside the app after sending money. Enter this number along with your transfer details, then tap Continue. The app will show whether your money is still processing, ready for pickup, already received, or if there are any delays. If you send money from your account, you can also see your recent transfers listed under History and check their status directly from there. Always double-check the information to make sure you're tracking the correct transfer. If you notice anything unusual, you can use the app to contact Western Union customer support for help. Tracking your transfer only takes a few seconds and gives you peace of mind knowing exactly where your money is. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.